Welcome back to another episode of the Microgreen Thumbcast. This is the go-to podcast for all things. Part of the competition of marketing shares is a big one. Who's got the biggest slice of the microgreen pie? Is there one major grower who seems to be the micro king of your area? Knowing this can help you carve out your own slice and help you decide where you want to be and position yourself. Andy, I know you took a break from farmers market this year, but still have a huge share of the market, right?
Yeah. At this point, I mean, we're definitely by far the most well known in our area, without a doubt. And I actually plan on doing some farmers markets hopefully next year. I just knew, with the potential of moving into a new space this year, it was going to be a total nightmare time wise.
Yeah.
And then adding the software in, which I didn't even think about doing until a couple months ago, that kind of threw a monkey wrench into all my time too. So it's kind of nice that we didn't do that this year. I mean, we did do one that was only once a month, and I literally haven't made it to that one in the last like 3 or 4 months. So it's been that insane. But yeah, definitely, it's good to get an idea of who your main guys are, and look at what they're doing, and kind of just keep an eye on their whole entire operation, and find little holes that you can take advantage of anytime you can, and fill those voids, man. Because I mean, if me and Mike were next to each other, and I wouldn't bother going after grocery stores. I would go after restaurants. I would go after home delivery or whatever, because that's his thing. I mean, he's known, obviously, very known for grocery store stuff. And if Robert and I were next to each other, it'd be the total opposite. I'd be going after grocery stores and home deliveries and letting him just deal with restaurants. So find that niche and fill it well.
Yes.